What's A?
A.
Okay.
Okay? So B is the cortex, A is the medulla, right? You know this number 7 will be the pyramids.
Pyramid.
Okay? Let's see now. We have number 3 is the ureter. Number 4 is the pelvis. The pelvis, the sinus would be, they cut this out so you can see where the sinus is. Okay? Number 5 is a minor calyx.
wait. So
Pelvis.
So all this is one sinus, is another sinus is over here too.
Yeah, the sinus
you
is
cut it
where
out?
all these things drain into, right? If you cut
Okay.
it out, right?
Okay,
Right. So
okay.
this is the sinus.
So 4 is the pelvis.
Yeah, I forget to mention that the edge of this is called the papilla.
Pillar.
Okay.
Where's? Let me see the edge.
Right here, the points of the
Right here?
pyramid. Yeah, you see where it ends?
Yeah. Papilla.
Yeah, it goes into the minor calyx. Okay. All right. So papilla, there's the minor calyx. Now, when it becomes a big one, it's called a major calyx. So these small ones are minor calyces, and the big, where they join together, is a major calyx going into the sinus, with all of them drain into, which is in the pelvic area. Okay. All right. Now, once we look at that, we want to look at the blood vessels. You're coming in from the abdominal aorta. This will be the renal artery. This will be the segmental artery.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, from there we go between the pyramids, that's the interlobar. From there we go around the top of the pyramids, that's the arcuate arteries.
Arcuate.
Okay, and then it radiates,
Radiate artery.
which is the corticate radiate arteries.
Okay.
From there it's going to go into, now we're going into the renal corpuscle. So we then go to afferent, arterial, then to the glomerulus, then to the efferent, and then you go in reverse to the veins. Okay, as you can see that there are not that many veins there, so I can't ask you too many veins, right? There are more arteries here. So I can put stickers on all these little arteries and actually to name this artery, name, etc. All right. Now, just to let you see that these little buds on here
Yeah.
are the renal corpuscles.
Okay.
Okay, and there's one here that has these tubules. This is actually showing you the loop of Henle. This is the loop of Henle right here. Okay, these two
U-shape.
that U shape is the loop of Henle going into the collecting duct. You see the collecting duct going into the minor calyces.
Is that a major calyx? Oh, minor.
Minor first and then major.
And then it comes the bigger part.
Yeah, then bigger part. Yeah, it's just a matter of where you put
So
it.
the major calyx is also like the
It feeds into the sinuses.
not the sinus.
The pelvis?
The pelvis.
Yeah.
Oh.
The pelvis is sort of the region,
Yeah.
okay? And the sinus is just the region where all the urine begins to collect and then move out down into the ureters, down into the bladder.
Okay.
So,
So again,
Can you do a recap?
renal artery coming in
Segmental.
segmental artery.
Right? Uh-huh.
Then when it curves here,
No, right here first. This is the interlobar.
interlobar,
Right.
arcuate,
Arcuate.
and then there's a
Cortical
cortex.
radiate. Remember,
Cortical radiate.
yeah, remember it radiates out.
Then
Okay?
it travel, blah blah blah, comes into the corpuscle.
The afferent into the glomerulus, right? And
Inside
then,
here, there's glomerulus in there, and there's boils thing with it.
yeah,
Okay.
right.
Then filtration happens.
Right, and you just need to know the sequence at that particular point. If I ask you where blood continues into the
Like
inferior,
the proximal and distal.
right? Remember now when you're doing this, you're talking about blood.
Yeah.
When you're talking about this, you're talking about urine. Two different things.
Okay.
Okay. So it's what if I ask you what fluid you would find in here? Of course, you know it's blood. If you ask you what's in here, it's urine. You shouldn't find any blood in there.
So the glomerulus will be in this thing somewhere.
No, the glomerulus is in the renal corpuscle. Remember?
But they filter blood or
They
or
filter
urine?
blood and make urine.
Okay. And from
Right.
there the urine comes into the.
The collecting tubes. It goes to the proximal, to the descending loop of Henle, to the ascending loop of Henle, to the distal, into the collecting ducts.
That's on a slide somewhere, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's also in your book. As you do your urinary system, you'll be going over all of this.